Are you after a fast-acting, multifunctional serum that increases skin hydration, calms, and even reduces redness? Then look no further than the ASAP Super B Complex. This serum helps to regulate oil production and reduce the appearance of redness, even in acne-prone skin, and helps to protect the skin against damaging effects of daily pollution. So why wouldn't you want this Super B serum in your daily skincare routine? Apply in the morning before your C serum and at night before your A serum, followed by a moisturiser and SPF for the day. Niacinamide, which is vitamin B3, is a hero ingredient in this serum. It helps to boost collagen production and targets pigmentation. This serum also contains ingredients like cross-linked hyaluronic acid, a mixture of B vitamins, red clover and licorice extract. These all help to refine, brighten, hydrate and smooth the skin. If you would like to know how to incorporate the ASAP Super B serum into your routine, or you would like any more information about any other ASAP products, visit our advice page using the links below and one of our therapists will be more than happy to help you.